Sanibona bafethu uvane lo nazi indaba eziphuma manje bafethu nazi indaba eziphuma manje namhlanje ade sikhuluma ngani ngedaba la kaMona Mpule Saling. uMona Mpule Saling bafethu ade linked with the move back to Orlando Pirates. Ngasho ukuthi uMona Mpule Saling yaza abuyele ku-Orlando Pirates cause umjida usa-contracted with Orlando Pirates and he is still contracted with Orbit College. Nazi ke indaba eseyiphuma manje bafethu, a shock move done by Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns isisayine one of the best wingers akhona le South Africa bafethu aqhamuka ku-Orlando Pirates okuMona Mpule Saling. To be honest, lama rumors lawa kada i-circulate lama rumors lawa last season yabo regarding yena uMona Mpule Saling being linked to the Kaizer Chiefs, being linked to the Mamelodi Sundowns, but it looks like Orlando Pirates igcine isivumile umjida uthi mdedele. Yabo remember ke uSaling vele ube linked to ama club anjengo Raja Casablanca. Yabo ube linked ama club amaningi, but ke Orlando Pirates igcine idecide ukumdayisa umjida, but ke selling your player to your rival club. I-Sundowns phela right now i-rival with Orlando Pirates. Yabo angazi ngizofila kanjani ngale indaba lezi, but ke sekwenziwe bafethu, angazi nina nizothini ngale indaba lezi, but ke ngiyibona manje nje nami le indaba lezi. Shuthi the rumors were true all along. The rumors were true all along regarding uMona Mpule Saling with joining Mamelodi Sundowns. If you remember last season we spoke about this, the reason why uMona Mpule Saling bengasadlali kakhulu ku-Orlando Pirates, the reason why umjida yabo had a fallout with the management. Maybe the management already knew ukuthi umjida already signed yabo with another team, or maybe agreed to sign with another team. Yabo kwase kuba yiyona i-management engafuni ukuthi umjida evele imdedele kanjalo, but ke le indaba lezi bafethu zifika nje i-Sundowns ifuna okulwa naye Orlando Pirates njengoba beluzolwila nje i-league. Yabo angazi ngempela zizosounda kanjani le indaba lezi kuma team, but ke ama-team amaningi kumele ahlale ready because Mamelodi Sundowns izoshisa impela manje bathole uMona Mpule Saling. Let's hope uzokwazi ukuthi abuyise ispark sakhe lapha ku-Sundowns. Asazi bafethu, angifuqa amanga i-Sundowns yenzani manje, yazi angifuqa amanga le indaba azingiphathi kahle le indaba, angifuni nje uqa amanga. Kwaqale kwaba uThembi Nkosi Lorch. uThembi Nkosi Lorch, he joined the Mamelodi Sundowns in the same fashion. He joined the Mamelodi Sundowns in the same fashion ngoJanuary, if you remember very well. Manje sekubani, sekusaling. Angazi ngempela bafethu ngizoyithini le ndaba le, but ke let's hope umjida uthathe decision right, cause lapha ku-Sundowns akubhedwa ngempela. Yebo mungadlali nje kahle ku-Sundowns uhlala ebenchini, mungahlala ebenchini uhlala kuma-stands, mungahlala ema-stands eya-terminate contract yakho noma uhambise contract yakhe isiphelile. Yabo asazi ngempela mfethu. Ungangitshela wena, how do you feel regarding this news? Sathi uyayibheka le move le eyenziwe iMamelodi Sundowns, for me iyayenza sense. Mase ubheka Orlando Pirates vele, it looks like Orlando Pirates vele bisiyazi ukuthi uMona Mpule Saling bengayazi ayisayine i-deal entsha with Orlando Pirates. Njengoba bengayazi ayisayine i-deal entsha with Orlando Pirates bengeke izimdedele mahala uMona Mpule Saling. They had to find a new way to make money out of uMona Mpule Saling. They had to sell uMona Mpule Saling, but ke bekuzoba nzima for Orlando Pirates ukuthi ithole i-team engcono ngaphandle kwala eSouth Africa. Yabo because ama-team amaningi bengayikhiphi le mali le dingo i-Orlando Pirates. Remember, this is not your typical player, this is uMona Mpule Saling. Yabo uMona Mpule Saling is one of those players. Yabo so they decided to sell uMona Mpule Saling kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns because yona iSundowns ibinayo imali engcono ukuthi imthenge umjida. Mina ngokwami I feel like this was a good deal eyenziwe uOrlando Pirates usemdayisa umjida because bebengeke bamdedele ahambe nje mahala. Yabo